How is a high-powered motorcycle worth tens of thousands of dollars actually born?
What makes a motorcycle capable of reaching 200, 300 kilometers an hour safely?
In the next 8 minutes, you'll go from a raw block of metal, Hupe, to a complete speed machine.
Watch until the end to find out which step determines the true value of a high-powered motorcycle.
Before the roar of the exhaust, everything starts from a drawing.
Every curve, every angle is meticulously crafted on a digital canvas.
We analyze aerodynamics and riding posture, ensuring comfort and maximum efficiency at speed.
Then, the designs enter the digital realm for extensive 3D simulation and testing.
Even a millimeter's deviation in a curve can dramatically affect performance and stability.
But design is just theory. To bring it to life, we need the backbone of the machine, the frame. The frame's journey begins with selecting the perfect materials: high-strength steel, lightweight aluminum, or ultra-strong carbon fiber. High-precision robotic welding ensures every joint is flawless, building a structure of unparalleled integrity.
Every frame undergoes rigorous stiffness and strength testing, pushed to its absolute limits. The frame must be light enough for explosive acceleration, yet stiff enough to protect the rider at high speeds.
Now, for the true heart of the vehicle, where it truly comes alive. This is where the vehicle truly comes alive. Stand.
Head of Gelatis. Having a powerful engine isn't enough. The bike must be able to control that power.
Having a powerful engine isn't enough. The bike must be able to control that power. A powerful bike with poor brakes is a disaster. Cause launchers. These tiny sensors are the eyes and ears of our motorcycle's intelligence, constantly feeding critical data, from lean angle to Urson ride. Behind every smooth ride are countless hours dedicated to complex algorithms, perfecting every aspect of control.
Our quick shifter technology redefines gear changes, making that instant and seamless. This precision engineering
Our motorcycle moves. Our motorcycle, they're not just machines, they're intelligently connected. Through advanced diagnostic,
The backbone of our innovation lies in meticulous programming.
Now, with the brain installed, it's time to give this machine its identity.
This multi-layer painting process isn't just about aesthetics. It's about protection and brand identity.
Each coat is meticulously dried and polished, ensuring a flawless, durable finish that can withstand the elements.
Even the smallest details, from the headlight to the brand emblem, are precisely installed.
But beauty is only skin deep. The true test of a high-powered motorcycle lies in its performance and safety.
Then it's unleashed onto the track for real-world driving tests, pushing its limits in a controlled environment.
Because not every motorcycle produced is allowed to leave the factory.
and that's the journey from raw metal to a complete speed machine.
And so we've journeyed from raw metal to this incredible speed machine.
Entwurveringen is woven or prickelices. It all begins with meticulous design.
The frame, the backbone, precision engineered for strength.
Then the heart, the engine to your boat, painstakingly assembled for raw power. And the brain, modern electronics, ensuring control and safety. Finally, relentless testing, pushing limits to guarantee perfection.
Where's love with the past that? But a motorcycle is more than just transportation.
It's a culmination of engineering ingenuity and profound passion.
From all the intricate steps we've seen today, which stage impressed you the most?
Share your thoughts in the comments below. It caught fit. And that's the journey from raw metal to a speed machine.
It all started with meticulous design, where lines on paper began to dream of asphalt.
Then the frame took shape, the strong backbone that holds everything together. The engine followed, igniting the very soul of this incredible vehicle.
And the technology, the brains behind the brawn, ensuring every ride is precise and powerful.
Finally, the relentless testing, pushing limits to guarantee safety and exhilarating performance.
Every motorcycle is not just a means of transportation. It's the culmination of engineering, art, and pure passion.
Which stage impressed you the most? Share your thoughts and comment below.